Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your Android phone ready for your new hearing aids. You have to remove the old hearing aid app and install it fresh so your phone won't get confused. On an Android phone, deleting apps is very simple. You just find the hearing aid app icon on your home screen, whether it's Signia, Bernafon, MyPhoneAc, or the Remote Plus of Unitron, and you press and hold the icon until a menu appears, and then you can drag it up to uninstall it. I'm going to uninstall my Signia app, and I'm going to confirm, and it's gone. Then what we need to do is reinstall that same app. So we're going to click on the Play Store icon, which looks like the multicolored triangle. We're going to search on the Signia app. I have it up here, but you may need to click on search to search for the keyword Signia. And when you see this logo, you'll click on install, and the app will reinstall for you. Just wait for the installation to finish. If your hearing aids are Signia or Bernafon, then you're done. You can proceed to the next video to pair your hearing aids to the phone. But if you have Unitron or PhoneAc hearing aids, there's one more step. You have to go into the iPhone settings. So settings for all Android phones looks kind of like this here. Looks like a gear icon. And you're going to click on that, and you're going to go into your Bluetooth connections. So I'm going to go down in here, Bluetooth pairing, connected devices. And for me, I want to see all my saved devices. I'm going to click on here. And I'm looking for devices that have the keyword PhoneAc or Unitron in them from a past install. And I'm going to remove those one by one. So I'm going to click on the gear icon beside each one, and I'm going to forget them. And I'm going to confirm, forget device. Sometimes there might be 3. Most of the time there's 3. Sometimes there could be 2. Good. So now they've been cleared from your Bluetooth saved devices list. And basically that's it. So what you need to do next is move to the next video to do a clean install of your preferred app for your hearing aids. Thanks for listening.